Welcome back to Prime Time Sports Friday. The Veterinary Services Division of the Ministry of Agriculture is refuting reports indicating the outbreak of a virus among the horse population at Caymana Park. Spencer Darlington has the latest on this developing story.
16 runners on the Ash Wednesday program were declared late non-starters, with 15 of them announced as being sick. Further checks by TVJ Sports with several trainers and a consultant veterinarian revealed that some horses were refusing the pellet type of feed and showing elevated temperature levels. However, they were said to be taking grass, hay and water. An announcement on the public address system during the Ash Wednesday program said a virus within the horse population at Caymana Park had affected a number of the entries for this Saturday's program, resulting in this meet being rescheduled for next Wednesday. However, in a press release on Friday, the Veterinary Services Division of the Ministry of Agriculture said as far as it is aware, there has been no confirmation of any outbreak of a viral disease at Caymana Park at this time. The release added that the VSD is not aware of any laboratory results confirming the presence of any virus affecting horses at Caymana Park at this time, and that it will await results of samples submitted prior to making any pronouncement of an infection. In the meantime, Lorna Gooden, the general manager of Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, elaborated on the decision by the promoting company to postpone the meet, which had been slated for this Saturday.
We're trying to look out for the best interests of the horse population, and we don't want to put them under any undue pressure, considering that, some may be ailing at this time. So we decided to ask the JRC's permission for us to stage it on Wednesday instead of this Saturday. The stakeholders are all for it because the trainers are looking out for their horses as well, the health of the horses, and the JRC is amenable to the approval.
Trainer Ian Prasad also weighed in on the present situation among some horses at Caymana Park.
The good thing, it doesn't seem to be life-threatening at this point, but clearly it's a big challenge because we need to race horses to keep the business going. When you can't, it's a big problem. I have been in touch with both JRC vets as well as the Supreme Ventures racing vet as well as my own private vet. We have done some blood samples. I will just get the advice from them and do what we need to do at the stable end.
Another seasoned conditioner, Gary Sabrati, has also endorsed the decision to put racing on hold for this Saturday.
We have a lot of scratches today showing that and the entries were very low. So they're giving them, I think if they give them a couple of weeks, I think then everybody should be back to normal based on what I saw since last week, Tuesday. I think it has escalated since Saturday.
However, JRC consultant veterinarian Dr. St. Aubin Bartlett feels racing could actually have gone ahead this Saturday.
There are some 1,100 horses on the track, and if they get one good race meet today out of it, because about 105, 106 horses run today, and if out of the rest of the horses that is there, they can't find enough horse to put on a race meet. When in truth and in fact, what is happening is not an infectious disease agent that is going on. It is a non-infectious situation that is going on.
In the meantime, the Veterinary Services Division says it will be working closely with SVREL, the Jamaica Racing Commission, respective equine veterinarians, owners, trainers, and other relevant stakeholders to monitor the investigative and diagnostic processes in order to determine the possible cause of the ongoing events at Caymana Park and to advise stakeholders and the general public accordingly. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.